Hi friends, today I am going to explain about how to use SUMIF formula in Excel. Okay guys, everyone knows about how to use the sum formula, but in sum formula we can apply some criterias. For example, I wanted to know, here we can see there are 5 types of item: bindum, desk, pen, pen set and pencil. Okay, the units we can total it would be 2124. Here what is the pencil total, what is the binder total, also again what is the pencil total in east and what is the pencil total in west. There are two criterias, so in this scenario we can use this SUMIF formula. Let me start apply this formula. Guys, go to functions. If SUMIF formula not available, you select all and find the SUMIF formula, it will come. So I'm going to select the SUMIF formula. The sum range would be numbers, wherever we have total unit numbers like that range we should select. I'm selecting this E column for units. Again the criteria would be pencil and region. Let me select first item in D column. Again criteria 1 would be in my table. Criteria range 2 would be region. Again criteria 2 in my X table is this one, region. So let me click on OK. So 130 units. Let me cross check. Pencil in east region, it would be 130. Let me filter this. It's 130. Instead of every time manually filtering get the total, we can use this formula. Now I'm going to apply the total SUMIF formula for unit cost. Again go to SUMIF, select range, criteria, item, and here this, and again range to criteria be regions. Total unit cost is 363.7. Let me apply the same formula for all the item. In same way, okay, for example in pencil I wanted to know what is the total units and total cost for east location. Let me change the center. Now we have count total for east. I'm going to change, this is for central. Automatically this formula take the numbers. I can change to north. North is 68. south, total unit is 14 and total cost is like that. All south, all north, can change it. The numbers automatically changing. Thank you friends watching this video. Please subscribe.